In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a professional poster, banner, or flyer in Photoshop, whether it's for print or social media. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your document, design it cleanly, and export it the right way. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and click on File, then New. This is where we set up our canvas correctly, which is very important depending on where your design will be used. If you're creating a flyer for print, set the width to 8.5 inches and the height to 11 inches. Change the resolution to 300 pixels per inch for high-quality printing, and set the color mode to CMYK. CMYK is essential for print because it matches printer ink colors. Once that's set, click Create. If you're designing for social media instead, use 1080 by 1080 pixels. Set the resolution to 72 and choose RGB color mode. RGB is ideal for screens like phones and computers. Then click Create. Now let's start designing. The first thing every strong poster needs is a clean background. Go to the left toolbar and select the Paint Bucket tool to fill the background with a solid color. Choose something that matches your theme. If you want a more modern look, select the Gradient tool instead and drag across the canvas to create a smooth color blend. Keep it simple and not too distracting, because your text needs to stand out. Next, let's add the headline. Press T on your keyboard to select the Type tool, then click anywhere on the canvas and type your main title. This should be the biggest and boldest text on your poster because it's the first thing people will notice. Use a strong, clear font and increase the size from the top menu bar. Try to keep it short and impactful. Now add a subheading below the main title. This can include a short description or tagline. Make it smaller than the headline but still large enough to read easily. Good design always creates contrast between big and small text, so the viewer's eyes know where to look first. After that, add your important details, such as the date, time, location, website, or phone number. Keep this information organized and evenly spaced. To align everything properly, press V to select the Move tool, then use the alignment options at the top to center your text horizontally or vertically. Clean alignment instantly makes your design look more professional. If you want to add an image, go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select your image and click Place. Use the corner handles to resize it while holding Shift to maintain proportions, if needed, then press Enter to confirm. Position the image so it supports your design instead of overpowering your text. To enhance your design, you can add simple effects. Click on the text layer, go to Layer, then Layer Style, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the opacity and distance slightly to create subtle depth. You can also improve your image by going to Image, Adjustments, and selecting Brightness and Contrast to make it pop a little more. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Before exporting, always double-check your spelling, spacing, and alignment. Zoom in and review everything carefully. Small mistakes can reduce the quality of an otherwise great design. When you're ready to save, go to File and choose Save As if it's for print and select Photoshop PDF. This keeps the quality high for professional printing. If it's for social media, go to File, Export, then Export As and choose JPEG or PNG. Make sure the quality is set to high before clicking Export. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional poster, banner, or flyer in Photoshop from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Let me know in the comments what type of design you want to create next, and I'll see you in the next video.